Good morning, everybody. This is Venomous reporting from the homestead. We have some crazy weather. It's been a lot of snow, rain, and now we've got this fantastic icicle-coated trees. So much so that even this one is being weighed down by it. I mean, it's not the first time I've seen this type of stuff before, but first time here, and it's really cool. The ground is a combination of slush, because right now it's raining, as you can see in this puddle right here. And I'm just out here to feed the ducks. The door's broken, that's why there's a board there. But look at that. Completely coated. Oops, I broke it. Look at that. How thick that ice is around it. Wild. And the ducks, they like their sunflower seeds in the morning. So give them some sunflower seeds, but I still have to give them a full feed. I gotta change their water out, so I can't do that while I'm rolling here. So here are the ducks. Happy, chilling outside in this snow rain. Super cool stuff. And oh, this breaks right off. I don't know how much longer this will last for. But yeah, I wanted to share that with everyone. So yeah, hope you all have a great morning and maybe some cool weather like I'm having. Anyways, I'll catch you all next time.